morning and welcome to today's 5 with Fitz. We've got some early gains on the table after a better than expected jobs report this morning, but I think there's a bigger concern in the background. Here's my playbook. Point number 1, here comes Mew, what to buy now. I have been as emphatic as I've been consistent from the very beginning of the pandemic. The real challenge and the fear ahead is that a variant outruns current medical technology. Now, unfortunately, apparently there may be one out there, Mew. Now, we will beat COVID. Of that, I'm absolutely certain. But that doesn't mean I'm stupid, and neither are you. Investing and trading are about playing the odds and offense, even if that means being defensive. I strongly suggest you have profit targets and trailing stops in place, like we've been discussing for a few weeks now. But also consider having a few dollars in inverse funds or a few S&P 500 put options on the deck just in case. Thing is, if there's a change in market sentiment or panic sets in, it will happen very, very quickly. Point number 2, this stock is a steal if there's more hoarding. My wife stopped by Costco yesterday as part of our weekly grocery run and found out firsthand that media reports about hoarding are correct, at least in our neck of the woods anyway. Toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies are already in short order. Limits are being put in place for hand sanitizer and other cleaners apparently. The thing is, just in time, which came in the 1970s, needs to be replaced by just in case inventory management. Corporations will have to figure out how to better manage adaptability and unpredictable human behavior, and I know just a player to help them do it. Palantir. Point number 3, avoid Chinese tech unless you like playing with fire. China's Ministry of Transport has apparently summoned now 11 ride-hailing companies for illegal behavior, including unapproved drivers, unapproved vehicles, fake discounts, promotions, and more. Not that I'm surprised. I spent a lot of time on the ground in mainland China. Confucian ethics de-emphasize legal coercion and instead prioritize moral exhortation and inspiration by example. That's why you see the shame of summoning rather than simply fines or legal challenges as you would in the West. It's also why Beijing goes to great lengths to stress the interests of society whenever there's a problem. At the end of the day, anybody buying into Chinese stocks because they think they're bargain hunting right now may get lucky, but the situation is a long way from over. Point number 4, digital ID, but not for me. Admittedly, we all know this is coming. It's inevitable, it's unstoppable. I don't have the luxury of taking sides when it comes to personal digital IDs, but I'm merely pointing out the glaring hypocrisy that seems to be presenting itself. And naturally, Apple is the first company in the water. You know what to do. Point number 5, Houston, we have a problem. Tesla has reportedly delayed its $200,000 rocket-powered Roadster until 2023. Apparently, the SpaceX thruster-equipped version will allow 0 to 60 in 1.1 seconds, even according to CEO Elon Musk, possibly allowing the car to fly, albeit briefly. I can only wonder about re-entry in those pesky stoplights. Bottom line, success in today's markets doesn't come from anything you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. And if you'd like a little help, I'm here for you. Now get out there and make it a great day. Thanks for watching. I'm Keith Fitz-Gerald, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching today's Morning 5 with Fitz. Click subscribe to get daily market notes right here on YouTube, or sign up for the email versions at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and more.